Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Natalie. I am playing with the retro Christmas star die, and I'm also have the Christmas snowflake cover plate and these beautiful embossed die cuts of the Jolly Holiday. I am making my very first see-through, I think they call them see-through cards. I have a piece of acetate. I can't really tell you how thick it is, but clearly it's not flimsy. It's quite firm. I don't know where I got it, but it's there. And you do need something that's a little bit firm that's going to sort of hold up your card, basically. You need to make sure that it has a really strong and good crease in it. I've die cut the retro Christmas star and the Christmas snowflake, and we're going to, honestly, I'm going to cut a lot. I'm going to cut a lot of them. I've adhered these down. Now, you do need to be a little bit careful not to go crazy town on your glue. You do not want this to ooze out, and you also need to make sure that you give it a good bit of pressure there for a while, because as you can see, I put my phone on it just because it does still pop open slightly, and I just wanted to make sure that it was well and truly stuck. So I've added that on both sides. I've got a little piece of scrap that I've cut out, just the center. This is the retro Christmas star, the center of it sort of thing. And I'm using the lines just to make that, or cut the star out properly. So I'm just following along on those. And so I've got two of those. Next, what I'm going to do is using a bit of mint tape, any like washi tape, or I don't really have much luck with the painter's tapes and everything else, but a bit of washi tape or something is going to work really well. I'm going to put it exactly where I want on the back using that tape. Add a little bit of glue. Again, make sure you don't go crazy town. You don't go too close to the edges, and it'll be all good. Having some pressure of having a pressure of my phone, and that's going to help that adhere down while we fix this Christmas star. Now we're going to put this on the inside of the card because basically you're going to see all the glue. So I was wondering whether, that's all stuck down now, whether I could get away with just one, but we're not. So I'm also going to die cut another of the Christmas snowflake die. I'm going to cut another one of that out. You also do need to put I'm going to have that other star is going to go on the back of the card. So it's a small area where you can write your message and everything else. But if you're like me, I just do a quick and simple and easygoing little message anyway. Obviously, some dies you're going to have a lot more room depending on what you pick for that. This is I got interrupted and now I don't know where I was. So I've done two of the retro, two of the Christmas snowflake. We've got the extra little star on the back of it. The next thing, I've got my little cute dude from the Holly and Jolly die cut, embossed die cuts. The Merry Christmas sentiment is actually from I need to get this right. It is from the Christmas Foil and Icon Sentiment Pack. I'll leave the link down below. The Foil and Icon Sentiment Pack. I've done a lot of this with this lately. It's got presents, it's got Christmas trees, it's got 2 sheets of different sentiments, and as you can see here, we're using one here. They also have, this is the gold pack. They also have the silver, and they have a rose gold. I had to stop and think for a second. They make it really lovely. So I'm trying to make sure I've got a very thin little strip of foam there in the center, little bits on either side, and that's going to support my sentiment. And he's going to be sitting underneath it. And that's the card. So it really isn't that hard. It's quite a little bit of die cutting sort of thing, but it's really not that hard. But that's my card for today. I hope you're well. I will hopefully talk to you soon.